Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. Going to do a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 72 cents, one of the newest areas of resistance now with any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside. You're also going to want to keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and that's based on the same exact rule. Going into today, that level would have been considered a level of support, but as the price broke below it right there, that would now also be considered an area of resistance, and that current value is at 71 cents. So basically 71, 72 going to be a very stubborn area of resistance if the price tries to bounce and get back up to that area. As far as areas of support now are concerned, first key level, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact of just where the bleeding finally stopped today, and that sits right there at 64 cents. So 64 cents near-term level of support. If that level doesn't hold up, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price then potentially drift down to 61 cents, if not even lower than that. So watch these couple of areas of support. But as of now, got the nice bounce this afternoon. So the question becomes, is this the bounce to the start of something bigger, or is this going to roll back over to the 64 cent mark? And at that point, it becomes the big question of, is 64 going to hold, or is now all of a sudden the price going to roll back over and head down to 61 cents? So we'll see what happens with it. Yeah, but definitely a very interesting setup, with that late day bounce here. And we'll see if this is, the start of a bigger bounce, or if it's just a dead cat bounce and the price is about to roll over. But looking like Wednesday is going to be pretty exciting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.